Terra Luna Classic is making some very strong moves higher over the last couple of days, and it is absolutely seeping down into the community sentiment. Now guys, one of the best things that you can see when a stock price, a crypto price, any asset price is moving higher is support in the fact that people are searching for it, people are promoting it, people are talking about it, and that is exactly what we have going on for Terra Luna Classic right now. Despite everything driving the price higher with this community sentiment and the fact that the burn tax or that burn skim is going to be reduced back down to the 10% from 50%. We've got the Layer 1 Dream Team being formed out there. We got some social media statistics that I want to go over that show we are supporting Terra Luna Classic in more ways than one. Not just buying it so that the price is moving higher, but discussing it, staying excited about it, promoting it and marketing it on social media so that more and more people can jump on board and eventually, hopefully, we might get there, FOMO in and drive the price ridiculously higher. So let's discuss some of the key levels both in price and social media statistics that are going on. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and $1 crypto trades can get you $5 in free crypto. You guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, leverage, short, any of that stuff. KuCoin and Binance. KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active trader. The more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, I mean, look, it sounds like I'm beating a dead drum here, whatever the saying is, but these centralized exchanges, guys, they are a risk, okay? Great place to buy, great place to sell, but they may not be a great place to hold. Look at DeFi, look at cold storage, and do what's best for you when it comes to holding your cryptocurrency so that it stays your cryptocurrency. Guys, so much going on with Terra Luna Classic, really over the last week, but it boils down to the last couple of days. Christmas Miracle coming in and basically, I guess, siding with the community on this burn tax. All Nodes, Interstellar, LUNC DAO, the big boys, the big validators out there, they went in and they voted for that burn skim to be reduced from 50% down to 10%. Huge step forward and a huge, I guess, momentum shift for the community and what the community desires as opposed to what the developers desire. So that is an awesome move forward and really why we're seeing the rally that we're seeing. But I want to talk a little bit about how it translates into social media statistics, and then I'm going to focus a little bit on the price so that you guys know, what levels to look out for if we continue to move higher, if we pull back a little bit and stuff like that, because we're on basically a 50% run. We've gone from roughly 12,000 points per coin earlier on. Well, not this week, right? This week just started, but earlier on in the last 7-day period, and we're sitting above 18,000 points per coin, trending around 18,000, 17,000. Hopefully, hopefully we'll be testing 20,000 here pretty soon. So, nonetheless, let's talk about some of these social media statistics before we jump into the price. If you look at the price and you compare it to 7 days ago, it is roughly up 33 to 35%. If you go down to social media mentions are up 42% to about 93,000 mentions over the last 7 days. This is a 43% increase in a 7-day period is huge. It goes to show you that there is that direct correlation between price movement and excitement, between price movement and people kind of willing to talk about it. It's very funny. You can see that we've been discussing and covering Terra Luna Classic and shibainu coin and cryptocurrency news, different stocks and things like that, and we show up every day, right? Because the news is always there. But not everybody does that. There's a lot of people who, when things are going down, they want to hide their face. When things are going up, they jump on it, man. And that's what we're seeing right now for Terra Luna Classic. Everybody who was a little unexcited, kind of discouraged over the last, couple weeks since Terra Luna Classic had been moving down in price, they are returning right now. More tweets being sent out. about Terra Luna Classic, more people tweeting and posting about Terra Luna Classic, and that leads us to engagement. Engagement is up over 60% to roughly 145 million engagements over the last 7 days. Guys, that is huge. That means that more people, look, I know not everybody likes to post content or make their tweets and videos and things like that, and not everybody wants to put themselves out there like that. But you can absolutely click the share button. You can absolutely leave a comment. You can absolutely click that like button, and that adds to the engagement for anything. And of course, engagement, we know that it encourages those platforms like Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook, and everywhere else to promote that content even further. If you like it, somebody like you may like it as well. So a lot of people, you may think that, well, clicking the like button doesn't really do anything. It absolutely does. You know, it tells the platform that if you like it, somebody similar to you or similar interest to you may like it as well, and therefore it gets promoted to them. And that, you guys, you know that it creates this spiral. It creates this snowballing effect where Terra Luna Classic can reach the eyes of more and more and more people simply because you clicked the like button. So I'm absolutely loving the social media statistics right now. The fact that the price is going higher as well is extremely encouraging. But do not, guys, do not get tired of supporting. Don't get tired of encouraging. Don't get tired of clicking that like button, because it absolutely does work. So knowing that, let's briefly discuss these price levels that we're seeing and what we could be seeing. So we discussed last night, or yesterday, talking about Terra Luna Classic, and in the levels of resistance, we're going to be around 16,000 points per coin and 18,000 points per coin. We got held up for what? Maybe an hour or two at 16,000 points per coin. Boom! Blew by it, touched 18,000, and we're seeing a little bit of resistance in this area as expected. Now, if we fall back down, those same levels that were resistance are now going to be support. So if we can't break 18, we're going to be touching 16, potentially 14 again. Potentially 12 if we continue to fall. I don't want to go down that far. We'll do two levels of support. And if we break out of that 18,000 point per coin range for Terra Luna Classic, we could absolutely be testing 20,000. And then on the upside of that, 23,000 points per coin. Now this 20 to 23 was a very strong range, both to the upside and to the downside a few months ago when Terra Luna Classic was really rallying. So that is going to be a major level. And we'll discuss one beyond that. If we do break that 23,000, 28 is the next major line that we would have to break through. But I don't want to get ahead of myself just yet. We'll still talk about 2 to the upside and those 2 to the downside. Nonetheless, guys, social media statistics looking excellent. Price statistics currently looking excellent. We've got to continue the support, and here's what we've learned from all of this. The community matters. Oh my goodness. When you support the community supports you. When you look out for the best interest of the community, burns, promotion, doing what the community desires, that's where the money comes from. The community is the ones that are buying. It's not bots out there that are buying. It's not the developers who want paid in fiat as opposed to paid in Terra Luna Classic. They're not the ones that are buying. It's the community that is supporting this coin higher. I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, let me know your thoughts. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.